Hey everyone, this is Geek Out Everything, and today in this video we'll be looking at the Boult Audio Pro Bass Buster Bluetooth earphones. And in this video I'll be going to do the unboxing, and in the later part of the video I'll be also reviewing it. So yeah, so as you can see, this is the box itself, and at the back we have the pricing, which is 4999, but don't worry, you can get this from Amazon for a piece around 1400 or something, which is I think really good. And now let's just quickly unbox it and see what is hidden under the hood. So these are the content of the box. As you can see, yeah, that's all we have. So looks like we have some paperwork. Let's just look at this thing. It's called Boult Audio. Okay, so I think this is some warranty information card and pamphlet. Yeah, this is the pamphlet. As you can see, you will get every information about the products from Boult Audio. As you can see, you can just look at it if you're interested. And we also have this warranty information card, so if you want any kind of assistance regarding warranty, you can just contact them. And we also have this little micro USB cable, but you can use any kind of micro USB cable to charge them up lying around. And as you can see, the quality of this cable is just average, and the length is also very short. And we also have some extra ear tips, two extra pairs, and the one is already attached. So as you can see guys, these are the earphones itself. And talking about the specs, then they have IPX5 certification. That means they are sweat proof and a little bit water resistant as well, which is pretty good thing. They also have Bluetooth 5.0, which results in better connectivity, and it also helps in improved range. So now let me just take these earphones out, as you can see. And the one thing that I've noticed is that they are actually really light. So in terms of weight, I think these are actually really light, so weight is not going to be any kind of problem. And as you can see, they're really flexible as well, so you can just take them out and wear them again if you want, so that's not going to be any kind of problem. And the build quality is also kind of I would say it's above average, because they are totally made up of plastic, but due to that rubberized finish, it doesn't feel like a cheap quality or anything like that. So in terms of build quality, I would say they are above average, but the build quality of the earphones itself, it's actually really good. As you can see, they are made up of metal. The entire housing is of metal. They are magnetic as well, which is a pretty good thing. And the ear tips are also very soft. They also comes with these horns over them. So if you, I don't know what should I call them, but yeah. And now to turn it on, you just have to hold the middle button, which will get you in pairing mode. And now you can just simply pair this earphones with your phone. So that's actually pretty easy. And they have 3 buttons, and the upper button is for the volume and the down button is for decrease the volume. And if you hold the up button or down button, then it will just change the track. And the quality of buttons is also kind of average, but they are tactile. Now the two most important things about any Bluetooth device is the battery life and the charging time. Now in terms of battery life, they are doing actually a pretty good job, because you will get easily about 10 hours of playback time with these earphones. And I would say this is actually really good playback time considering the price point of these earphones. And the charging time is also really less. They have fast charging, and they get fully charged in about 45 minutes, which I would say it's a pretty good time. So in terms of battery life and charging time, I do not have any kind of complaint. Now talking about the comfortability and fit of these earphones, then in terms of comfortability, they are actually really good. The ear tips are also pretty soft, and if you're a person who watches movies or listen to music for a longer time, then they will not disappoint you. But you might need to remove these horns from them, because they, for me guys, I honestly don't like these horns in any earphones. I don't know why I'm calling them horns, but it's my choice, so yeah. But I would say they are more comfortable if you remove these horns, but if you are comfortable with them, then there's no problem. But overall, in terms of comfortability, they are actually really good. And in terms of fit as well, they are actually really good. They just doesn't come out pretty easily, and noise isolation is also really good due to those soft ear tips. Now coming to the most important things, and that is the sound quality of these earphones. And as the name says, Pro Bass Buster, they have really heavy bass, and the bass is not muddy or anything like that. The bass is really clear, and in terms of vocals, the vocals are also sounds pretty good in these earphones. And talking about the high tones are a little bit decreased due to that heavy bass, but it's not like the clarity is not there. The clarity in the sound is there, but you know, if you are kind of a person who wants that sharpness in the music, it's not there. But if you are a bass head, if you like bass in your music and a overall clear sound quality, then I would say these are actually really good. But if you are more into flat style sound, then you might not like them. But overall, if I have to rate them, then I would give them around 8 out of 10, which is really good. And overall, in terms of sound, guys, I really like them because, you know, I like that heavy bass in the music and stuff. And in terms of watching movies as well, they are really good because they have that ambience in the sound, and the surround is also really good. So in terms of watching movies, it's gonna be a really good experience. Guys, the one thing that I did not like about these earphones is the wire between the earphones and the neckband. The wire is made up of just simple rubber, and it can be cut pretty easily, so you have to be aware of that. But apart from that, these earphones are really good, and if you are looking forward to buy them, then I have the link in the description below. It's an Amazon link, so you just can go there and buy these earphones from that link. It does help the channel out. So guys, that's for this video now, and if you just simply like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. That would be really helpful, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, peace out.